Hello everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to create users in Office 365. For that you can open portal.office.com/admin portal and home like this. Here you can get dashboard of Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Within this you can see home users. In users section, if you click active users, you can get the list of students. From here you can go to add multiple users if you want to add users in bulk, or if you want to add individually you can use add a user option. If you click here you can get a form. You can fill out this information and click next and complete all the forms to add new student or any user. Here I will show you how to add in a bulk. For that you can go through add multiple users. Within this you can get import multiple users option, where you can download a CSV file and upload it back. Now let's download a CSV file with headers only. We don't need samples. Import dot template. I will keep it in desktop. Now let's open this template. We can get Excel file with headers. Here we can add users. Now let's change these numbers. 3,
4,
by this way you can add users. Here I have added 10 users. In first name you can use any name you want. Here I will use demo. Last name 1. Last name I have added 1 to 10. It's just for demo. You can fill your users information like this, and in place of display name you can use both these also. Job title, I will use these users as student. Department also student. Let's keep like this. You can fill other information too. Now I will save it and get back to previous page. Here you can see browse to upload. Let's browse from here. It was in desktop. Let's locate and verify this file. There was some problem with the files. We need to recheck it. Let's open file. display name. Let's keep these two. Demo 1, demo 2, demo 3, demo 4, demo 5, demo 6, demo 7, demo 8, demo 9, demo 10. Let's recheck now and browse and verify. Now your file looks good. Click or tap next. Now let's click next. Here you can see which license to assign and sign in, allowed or blocked. I will assign student's license for this user. Here also you can select the license you want to assign for your users. It's for demo purpose. I will allow for all the license, and in location Nepal you can change these two. Now you can click next. And you can mail these emails to any email. I will download this also and send and close. Now users I added here, you can see 0012 0010 demo 1 to 10. By this way we can add users in Microsoft 365 through Admin Center. Now let's open the users created here. You can see the users list here. Now I can provide these information to students or user for login. Now let's repeat same and add new users with teacher's license. For that we can go through previous list or add multiple users. Here let's browse previous file, import, open. Let's edit it first. Here we have used 00. If we remove 10 from here, it can work too. Let's control F and replace all, or replace 00 with single 0. Let's try this. Replace all. Okay, 10. Recipient. Close. Now let's save it again and let's rename to teacher. Teacher 1 to only 5. Let's add 5 teachers here. And save. Previously we add student, now we are adding teacher. Let us replace this demo with Control F and demo replace with teacher. Teacher replace all. Okay, close. Now let's select this file, open, verify, and next we have to assign faculty license. Let's assign this faculty license and click next as we did previously for students. Again, let's download this for teachers and email too. By this way, we can add users in Microsoft 365 in Admin Center. These users can be used for every products of Microsoft 365. You can add them in Teams as well. In previous video, I shared about Teams app of Microsoft 365 and how to set up for organization. After watching that video, few of viewers messaged me to create video on how to add users in 365. Therefore, I have done this. You can also watch it. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel and keep on watching my upcoming videos. Okay, thank you.